Say goodbye to stubborn dust. This Agaro vacuum cleaner is a game changer. If you've been struggling to keep your home truly clean, especially in those tough corners where dust and wet spills gather, then the Agaro Ace Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner might be your ultimate solution. Built with a powerful 1600 watts motor and an impressive 21.5 kilopascal suction power, this beast handles both dry debris and wet messes like a pro. Whether it's cleaning up after a rainy day or just routine dust removal, its 21-liter stainless steel tank ensures uninterrupted performance without frequent emptying. One of the standout features is the blowing function, which makes it incredibly easy to clean balconies, window rails, and even car interiors. The washable 3-liter dust bag is eco-friendly and reusable, saving money in the long run. Its rugged build and stylish black, red, and steel finish give it a professional touch that fits right into any modern home setup. Whether you're looking to deep clean your carpets or handle garage spills, the Agaro Ace is designed for heavy-duty use without compromising ease of operation. White heavy checkmark ideal for both wet and dry cleaning. White heavy checkmark high suction and blowing power. White heavy checkmark durable stainless steel body. White heavy checkmark large tank for extended use. If you're serious about keeping your home spotless without the hassle, this vacuum cleaner is worth every rupee. Backhand index pointing right by link in bio. Grab yours today and transform your cleaning routine.